Well, it is a Saturday and I am in the office. I had the opportunity to come in early today because my son has hockey games later in the day. So, getting some work knocked out for a busy week for our law firm, both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. Put out a blog article yesterday before I got out of the office on Friday. The weekend is often the busiest time for our law firm, both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. So, before I leave for every weekend, I always try to put out some content regarding what not to do on the weekends to avoid getting arrested and potential criminal problem for yourself in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. And the put a blog article, which I'll link in here, are 5 things that you can do to really put yourself in the best possible position to avoid getting arrested. Now, with regards to driving, we understand that it's the weekend, people are out and about, and people are drinking and driving. But if you're going to drink and drive, please, I just think about what you're going to do before you do it. It really doesn't take much alcohol to get over the legal limit. And in addition to alcohol, things like prescription and non-prescription drugs can cause you problems. So people think that a DUI in Pennsylvania and New Jersey has to do with simply alcohol, and that is not the case. And obviously people understand that you can be impaired with regards to illegal drugs like heroin and cocaine and marijuana in some states. It is legal, for instance, in New Jersey to consume recreational marijuana. It is not legal in Pennsylvania, not yet. I'm sure it's going to change very soon. But the point is that whether a drug is illegal or legal, you can still impair your ability to operate a car safely. And that is the definition of a DUI in Pennsylvania or the DUI in New Jersey, driving under the influence, driving while impaired. These things can really cause people significant problems because you don't need to have an illegal drug in your system to be DUI. So keep that in the back of your mind. If you're taking things like Benadryl, it's over the counter, but you can still cause you to be charged and convicted of a DUI both in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. With regards to police searching your vehicle, I always advise people to be polite and respectful to a police officer, but don't give consent to search your person or your property. Remember that warrantless searches are permissible in New Jersey. They're not permissible in Pennsylvania. In most situations, police need a warrant to search your car, but don't give consent. If you give consent, you're simply giving up your rights under the Pennsylvania or New Jersey Constitution as well as the U.S. Constitution. So that's not something that you want to do. If police are asking for your consent, more than likely they don't have the sufficient probable cause to obtain a warrant or perform a warrantless search. If the officer wants to search the car anyway, don't get in their way, but simply make it clear that you're not giving consent. Once you give consent, it severely hinders your defense. Now, with regards to driving through Pennsylvania and New Jersey, be aware that the laws are very different in the state. Between Pennsylvania and New Jersey, especially with regards to guns and firearms. Remember that New Jersey has no reciprocity with Pennsylvania regarding the ability to carry a firearm. Your Pennsylvania gun is not welcome in New Jersey. Now New Jersey has significantly relaxed the requirement to obtain a permit to carry in the Garden State. More and more people every day are obtaining permits to carry. But remember that the Garden State still does not have reciprocity with Pennsylvania. And Pennsylvania, for the most part, has a lot more, I don't want to say relaxed gun laws, but the laws in Pennsylvania are a lot less harsh than they are in New Jersey. New Jersey has a lot of mandatory minimum sentencing with regards to the legal possession of guns and firearms. So those are things that you can do. I'm going to link in the blog article that I wrote on 5 things that you can do this weekend to avoid getting arrested. It's a great article. All of our articles, all my videos, all my blogs, all my books are available on gambleinlaw.com. We make ourselves available at 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. The website gambleinlaw.com, as always, is a tremendous resource. You can sign up for the free weekly update, which goes out to over almost 5,000 of our current and former clients. At this point, it's a tremendous resource. We believe that an educated client is the best possible position to receive a great result in their case. So once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. We answer our calls 24 hours, 7 days a week. Have a great Saturday. Have a great weekend. It is not raining now. It's supposed to rain later today, I believe. It's going to be very cold. It's my understanding this coming week, possibly some snow. Not that I'm giving a weather report, but people will be watching football, having a good time, and enjoying it. But again, please do it responsibly. Once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429. Have a great Saturday, and I'll talk to you all very soon.